Magandang hapon po ng Monday, October 21, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, October 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 21, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, October 21, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, October 21, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, October 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.